Hey y'all, this is Flash coming at you with another blaster box break. Tonight we're going to open up 2016 Rookies and Stars football. Sorry for the poor lighting, it is dark after all. Star Search memorabilia features top rookies from the 16 NFL draft class. Looking for Ezekiel and Prescott mainly. Or Titans rookies, of course. Find one auto or memorabilia card per box on average. So really I'm hoping to pull an auto, but I know that the odds probably favor memorabilia card instead, so we'll see what we get. Here's hoping we get something good. If not, if we get a weak memorabilia card, it would be great to get a Ezekiel Elliott, a Dak Prescott rookie, or some Titans mojo. Alright. Did we get something? Looks like we got Jared Goff, Ticketmasters insert. Ooh, the glare is bad. Sorry, y'all. Let me show you guys what the base looks like. I'm sure a lot of you have seen them. Let's go with Adrian Peterson. No, let's go with Rob Gronkowski. Wonder who AP will sign with. That's the front, and there's the back. Oh, there's more. I didn't realize there was more in that. Alright, so we got, let's see, Rookies and Stars, Infrastructure, Matthew Stafford insert. Alright, so nice clean cut design. I like the front, I like the back. Not too conservative, but not too heavy on the action. A Chris Moore rookie. Okay. I don't know how many rookies. I think you might get one rookie per pack here. I think you get 2 inserts per pack, 2 non-base cards, as they say on the back. Okay. As you guys know, I only show the hits, parallels, numbered cards, memorabilia and auto cards. Roethlisberger, Sproles, Khalil Mack, Rookies and Stars. This is Rob Bowman, Melvin Gordon, Ryan Matthews, and Paxton Lynch, rookie. Something of Russell Wilson. That's cool. Century Stars. A lot of these inserts have red foil font. Kind of hard to see. Well, you can kind of see it there in the light. I guess the parallels are going to have a different color to them. We got Andrew Luck. Ticketmasters, number 10. There you go. That might be a better angle right there. Not number 2. It's shiny. Last but not least was our rookie, Trevor Davis. I imagine most of these cards are going to be up for trade by the end. Wow, almost 3.5 minutes, and we're down through 2 packs. Better pick it up here. Jeremy Hill, Cam Newton, Kendrick West, Travis Kelce, Jacob Tammy, Carson Palmer, Nelson Aguilar, Ticketmasters of Adrian Peterson, and our let's see, our infrastructure is Joe Flacco, and our rookie, I guess Adolphus Washington. Is that how you pronounce his name? Adolphus Washington. I haven't really heard of him much. Maybe Bills fans could help me out there. Okay. Diggs, Robinson, AP, Bortles, Jimmy Graham, Steve Smith, Ivory. Got something here. Todd Gurriel, action packed. Rams, card number 7, not numbered. That's certainly different. Such a bust in fantasy last year. Standing ovation. That's also a new insert of, I guess, Eric Dickerson. So 2 new inserts in that pack I haven't seen before. So one thing we can say about rookies and stars is that there's a lot of inserts to go around. A lot of sets to collect. And Dwayne Washington, rookie. Yeah, a lot of these rookies I'm going to end up selling here. I'll go back through it. It's dark, so it's kind of hard. If there's any numbered hits I might have missed. Is there only 3 left? I guess there's 6 packs per box, right? I feel like we're going to end up with a memorabilia. I think I know which pack it is, too. I could be wrong. Looks like we got something prismy in this pack. We'll see. It's numbered. Hilton, Von Miller, Stafford, Langford, Eric Decker, Thomas, Williams, and what do we got here? Shannon Sharp. Boy, you could tell it's has a refractor prism look on the front. Great American Heroes. You cannot see a numbering on this, but it looks really cool. I will say that. Number 17. I don't know why they decided to make this insert, feature with a prism. I don't know why they glazed this particular subset of insert. And let's see, Century Stars, Terrell Rivas. And so many inserts. I like it, but then I wonder. I question oversaturation. Presley rookie. Vikings, I think, or no, Green Bay. Looks like a Vikings jersey there. Surprised we haven't hit a numbered card yet. Alright. Breeze Hearns, Eli Manning. Jenkins, Hayden, Stewart. Griffin. We got something here that looks different. Power Tools. That's a good one. Antonio Brown. Infrastructure. Cam Newton. So there we go there. Oh, that's cool. Sterling Shepard rookie, so that's not a bad one. There should be a hit in here. Thought it's going to be some pedestrian jersey, I'm afraid. Never what you hope for. Green, Sherman, Rudolph, Matt Ryan, Efert Wright, Power Tools of J.J. Watt. That's cool. Please don't be Paxton. I feel like wait, I got more. Kyle Williams, Infrastructure. Is that a rookie? No. Kyle Williams. I've heard of him. Drake. Got a Drake for the Dolphins. Oh, I'm not getting the rookies that I want at all. I messed that up, but still. Oh boy. So we got a Star Search Relic. Kyle Hogan. Wolf. Quarterback. And we'll say about the relic, I like the size of it. It seems to be double what I was expecting, but overall, pretty pedestrian box. I was hoping to not get a relic, or at least a relic auto. But if you pulled it on from this box, congratulations. I'm going to sign off. I feel rather defeated, but all these cards are up for sale. So if you see any you like, feel free to hit me up, PM me. Till then, I'll try to catch you next time on The Fry. Peace.